Which of the following administers and attends to cases involving crimes against chastity? A. CIDG, B. DSWD, C. Women's Desk, D. Homicide Division. Answer C. Women's Desk. They are automatically deputized as NAPOLCOM representatives to exercise supervision and control over PNP units. A. Chief of Police, B. Judges, C. Local government executives, D. Fiscals. Answer C. Local government executives. They have the authority to recommend to the provincial director the transfer and reassignment of PNP members outside of their town residences. A. Regional directors, B. Priest, C. Chief of Police, D. Mayors. Answer D. Mayors. The head of a local peace and order council is the A. Judge, B. Chief of Police, C. Mayor, D. Governor. Answer C. Mayor. The utilization of units or elements of the PNP for the purpose of protection of lives and properties, enforcement of laws, maintenance of peace and order. A. Employment, B. Deployment, C. Assignment, D. Designation. Answer A. Employment. The orderly and organized physical movement of elements or units of the PNP. A. Employment, B. Deployment, C. Assignment, D. Designation. Answer B. Deployment. One of the following exercises control and supervision over PNP units during elections. A. NBI, B. Ombudsman, C. COMELEC, D. DILG. Answer C. COMELEC. The number of eligible for which the regional director may recommend for provincial director to the governor is A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 4. Answer B. 3. Under the law, which has primary responsibility on matters involving suppression of insurgency? A. AFP, B. PNP, C. Both PNP and AFP, D. Philippine Marines. Answer A. AFP. There are 4 regular commissioners of the NAPOLCOM. How many of them should come from the private sector? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer C. 3.